Hello friends, are you unable to install Football League 2026 in your phone? Are you getting device error problem? And or you are facing Google Play not supporting, Play Store is not supporting, Play Store error, something like that? Then here is the fix. First of all, go to phone settings, tap on apps, tap on app management, find football, not football, find Google Play services for AR, tap on app force stop, tap here, then you are you have to click on storage usage, clear cache. Now you can see it is showing as 0 now after clearing the cache. Then tap on clear data. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device, so you have not to worry about this. Once you click on delete, you have to open the app with the existing credential. You have to log in or you have to give the permissions as a fresh, and then go back, restart the phone. Now here you are good to go to Play Store, find Football League 2026. Now you can see I have clicked on install. Let's click on it, and then now it is getting installed. I hope problem is resolved. Now you are good to go and you are able to open it and play it. Thank you for watching.